Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable online and web results in the Start menu on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you are prompted with a user account control window, select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the file tab, select export. File name, I would recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, you would just select the file and then import option and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. Once you've done that, now we're ready to expand the HKey current user folder. So just go ahead and double click on that. Double click on the software folder. Do the same thing now for Microsoft. And now you want to look for something that says Windows right here. Double click on that, and that should be a current version folder under that, so go expand that one. And then finally there should be a search folder. Just go left click on that one time. Please take note, if you need to pause the video and take note of the path that we've gone under, you can see it on the top of our screen right here. Each backslash indicates a different subfolder that we've gone under up to this point. So now that you're here, you want to go right click in a blank area, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value. Now I'm going to have this up in bigger letters on the screen, or I might just zoom in on the registry editor here, but you want to go type in allow search to use location. So again, allow search to use location. Each letter should be capitalized, so the A in allow, the S in search, the T in to, the U in use, and the L in location, exactly as it appears on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard, make the column a little wider here, and again you can see it right here. And now you want to go double click on that. You want to make sure the value data is set to 0, which it should be by default here. If for some reason it's not, just delete whatever is in there, type the number 0, and then select OK to save the change. And now you also want to create another value here, so right click underneath of that in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value once again. Type in Bing search enabled, exactly as it appears on my screen, and the B in the Bing, the S in search, and the E in enabled should all be capitalized. Hit enter on your keyboard once you've created this value, and now again double click on that. Make sure value data is set to 0, and then select OK to save the change. So now from this point on, you should not be receiving any web search results when conducting a search in the Windows 10 Start menu. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. Just to give you guys an example, let me just type in something here, like the calculator. You see there are no results that come up for the internet, so there you go, pretty straightforward. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.